and put it out there.
No, they're cutting it down.
No!
I'm retarded.
The mosquitoes, they're bugging me.
I get it.
They're bugging. Hey, I even know more about cameras and shit. Yeah, I think you have to press the record button.
I think I did. Yeah, you fucking retarded.
Well, I don't know. Howdy doody, you saggy titties and newborn babies. I'm with my little brother Colton. And anyways, welcome back to a brand new episode of
Dumb and Dumber.
Dumb and Dumber, where we do dumb I'm trying my best not to cuss. Where we do dumb stuff, alright? I don't know how good you guys hear me because, you know, I'm going like 90. No, I'm kidding. I'm not going 55, the speed limit's 55. We're chilling. But we're going to the island today. If you don't know what the island is, it's where I post my videos. You know, we do deer hunting, fishing, riding dirt bikes, dudes on my ass. Let me speed up real quick. Fishing, riding dirt bikes, four-wheelers, hunting. But we do everything, alright? We're going there. I talked about this in my last video. I got a GoPro, so when we're on the, you know, dirt bikes, we're gonna rip around the woods. You guys can see that now, you know. I got, what else? So there's just too much shit we have to do out there. I don't know if we're gonna get it all done today in one video. We're gonna make a couple videos about it, but we're gonna ride dirt bikes and four-wheelers. We're gonna change the trail camera spot. I don't fuck with. So we're gonna ride dirt bikes and four-wheelers. We're gonna change the trail camera because there's really nothing there, man. A couple of deer, skinny fucking deer, one buck, but it's not a big buck.
There's a buck.
Oh, you remember you fell asleep when you first looked at it?
I asked if you ever found it.
Well, because you were fucking sleeping on my bed. I said, get the fuck out of my room. But yeah, there's just one buck, and it was there for like a week and a half with corn, a lot of raccoons, foxes, possums. We gotta change that. I don't like that spot, you know. If it's out for a week and a half, you don't see a big buck, mature buck, I'm not hunting there, man. Don't get me wrong, you know. If I see a doe, taking that thing out. But, you know, I also want to pup. I've killed one deer in my life. It's a big fat doe. And, yeah. We're going to go hard at it this year. What else are we going to do? Should I just ride through the woods?
Coyote hunting.
Oh, no, we ain't going coyote hunting today.
Not today.
We could, but I doubt we're going to see anything.
No, we won't get none.
And plus, when we're riding around, no. We might, depending on the day, we might shoot our crossbow, sight them in. I'm not too keen on that idea, but we have to get that done sometime before deer hunting season. So we might do that. Hey, talk to him, bro. Damn. No wonder you're fucking single. No wonder you don't have friends.
Okay.
I'm just saying, man. You gotta learn how to have conversations with people. You know what I'm saying? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? No, do you know what I'm saying? Whoa. Oh, he's depressed mode now. You gonna talk to me? You ain't gonna talk to me the whole car ride.
Snapping my bitches, dude.
You don't have nobody on your phone, bro. I have to look through your phone, bro. You don't have nobody. So don't pull your fucking sister up now. Hey, put your phone on real quick. I know I ain't got nobody on my phone. I could tell you that. At least I can admit that shit. So today's mainly about riding dirt bikes. If you guys fuck with the dirt bike shit, right? If you mess with the dirt bike stuff, right? Oh, you got her phone number. Okay, that's interesting.
I've been at her.
He been had her phone number. Talk to him. Don't talk to me. Oh shit! Get out the road, squirrel.
It's a fucking squirrel. Run it over, dude.
I'm not gonna fucking what? You want me to run over a squirrel? Yeah, yeah. She left it delivered.
No.
She ain't even open it. Well, I didn't see it. I'm trying to drive. Thanks, babe. You slid in yet?
No, not yet.
circle now.
About to.
God dang, man, hold the camera up, man. No, but serious, no. Are you gonna bring her home? Like she's gonna sleep in your bed?
Hell no.
I how about this? When I'm going
to her house.
Hey, look, when deer hunting comes around, I might stay the night at the island a couple times. Take her up in my room. Shit. Just don't make sure you change the sheets.
Her dad's crazy. Her mom's chill. Her dad's a cripper. Her mom's chill.
Her dad's a cripper, mom's a blood. Hold the camera.
You got that.
Dude, we gotta sneak in that fast first. That's probably fire right there. Hold the camera. Yeah, no, serious talk. If you guys like with the dirt bike crap, leave a like, comment down below. Let me know, man. Comment down below.
See my wheelies. I know y'all like it.
Hey, and if anybody wants a chance to get gifted, Fortnite, five people are gonna get gifted.
1997 dirt bike Kawasaki KX80. You know, getting this shit. Yeah, right now, yeah, bro.
What are you saying that for? Not a 1997.
Yeah, it is.
Is it? Yeah. Mine's like a 2008. 2006.
I don't know. Since
Maybe it's a 2-stroke, 4-stroke, 2-stroke. So mine's a 4-stroke.
You got that. She ain't gonna fall.
Oh no, mine's a 4-stroke?
Ah, yeah.
Really? How'd you know
think
that?
so.
How'd you know that? I don't even know what it is.
Fucking good, dude. Most young
It probably is a 4-stroke. That makes sense, bro, because the wheelies feel different.
Yeah, because that has longer power bands.
But it don't have like, has like, you know what I'm saying? Like on the 80, you know, but on mine you can actually like know like exactly like, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know this.
You never rode mine.
Mine. My first bike. First big bike.
Baby first bike.
My first.
No, but look, today's gonna be a dirt bike video. If you guys don't like dirt bike videos, skip through it.
Fuck off.
Oh shit. You done made him mad. No, if you don't like it, skip through it. Or just get off, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you leave a like and comment, you know, and be like, hey man, I don't really like dirt bikes. And let me know, man. Let me know what you do like and what you don't like. It's funny. Yeah, I thought it was funny. But no, what I realized is like when I'm talking in the videos, I'm not talking loud enough. Cause mine don't, like, you know how like Flair, he has that big microphone. I don't have that, you know what I'm saying? And also, I don't know how good that's fine. I don't know how good the quality of the video, the sound is, like on the dirt bike. Like, let's say if let's say I'm on that bit, right? I'm trying to talk to you. I don't know if you're gonna hear me. So we're gonna find out. But and then stay tuned, because at the end of the video, make sure you watch the whole video through. At the end of the video, I'm getting my grandma on it. She's gonna pop some wheelies. She's gonna teach you. Anyways, we'll pick it up once we're in the woods.
I'm bad as fuck.
Alright, yo. Oh, god damn. Yo, what's up? So we're here. He's gonna ask if he can ride one of the other dirt bikes. But he's probably gonna say no, but if not, the GoPro's on him. Hopefully. I'm hoping it's good footage. I don't know. So when I get home tonight, I'm gonna try to edit this video. And if it's a good enough footage, I'll post it. If not, you're not gonna see none of that footage, but I'm still gonna try to get some good footage on here. Right now, I'm just, oh man, I got that. I'm just waiting. So see you guys when we out there. Yikes. How does it look?
Good.
Alright, so guys, so we made it. If you don't know what this is, we call it the pit, because it's like here. big, just sitting there. Now look, see, as you can see, it goes down like a pit. You know what we do is, you know, there's an inside track right there, or you could go down there, go up that hill right there, and then come flying down here, hit that little curve part, and then ride this whole thing. That's what we do. If the GoPro footage works, you're gonna see a little bit of that. We're gonna do some wheelies on this camera. Speaking of which, I'm gonna go down there with that dirt bike whenever you get a chance, when I start riding, and you're gonna be right next to me. I'm gonna pop some wheelies for the thumbnail. That's gonna be fire fucking thumbnail. But hopefully this works. We're gonna pick up this camera every now and then to film, but we're relying mostly. Why the fuck does it say full? It's not. Oh my god. Hopefully you enjoy, and get ready, man, because it's gonna be a fucking movie out here. Alright, we're gonna pop wheelies. Hopefully somebody falls. Entertainment. Doesn't get too hurt, but yeah, so whoever's rides, they're gonna ride off this. I'm gonna pull the camera out, you know, every now and then, film a little bit, but hope you enjoy, and make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and add comment at the end of the video. Oh, that's nice. Fuck, I didn't even get it. Oh, nice. Watch them come flying down this shit. Watch this, watch this. My turn. Is it my turn? Yep. I come down here. Alright, what's up, guys? So it's starting to rain out here. So we're gonna go check the trail. We're gonna not check it. We're gonna go move it to a spot over here, which I'm really confident we're gonna have big bucks. So, I thought he was gonna pop a wheelie. Pop a wheelie for old Nellie Wilson? Oh, nice. But yeah, like I said, so right here. That's where we're gonna move the trail camera to. Right over there. Because here, I'll post a picture up. So like, look. There's this big buck trap over there. Huge. And yeah, we're gonna go check it, so. Ah, now scam likely. Well, anyways, guys. What the fuck? Anyways, guys, so we're here. We're not there, we're not at that place yet. Okay. We're getting paid to film, not fucking. I picked up and stuff. Anyways, we're on our way to walk towards the, yeah, it's not walk towards the leaves and stuff. To walk to the trail camera to move it, and see you there. Oh, it's raining right now. My little brother wanted. It's sprinkling. My little brother wanted me to tell you guys that. I don't know why, but. Alright, folks, so we are almost there. And, alright, so you guys didn't see when we checked it before, literally all the corn was gone. Like, not a drop left, so. Surprisingly, there's no big bucks on the trail camera either. I guess we'll find out. Oh, he went down. Look at him. Dumbass. Oh, where'd he at? No, what the fuck is he running from? Did he see Bigfoot? Dude, what the fuck? Buddy, you see that little tree here? I hit my nuts on that, dude. That's fucking tough, bro.
I'm tricked and I hit my nuts. See?
Alright, so we're here, truck comes right there, and one thing that we noticed was pretty much every time the deer came in, they came in from this way. So that makes, and they always left going that way. So I'm thinking, so you know where I plan on putting it, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're about to grab it, move it. Corn's all gone. Oh, and I don't know if you guys noticed, I'm pretty sure we said this in the video, but what tree? It would have been,
yeah, raccoon.
all the way, dude. They caught that. That's far.
No, I don't think that's the one.
It had to be.
It's the...
I don't know. No, it had to be in that tree because it was straight back.
I don't know, but fucking raccoons kept on trying to climb up it.
So we think they have a nest up there, or down
Or
here.
somewhere near here. Meow.
Yo, look at this. Look, this shit's still fresh up. What the fuck?
Coon.
No, coons are like dogs.
That's a coon shit if I've ever seen it, dude.
Then, remember when we were hunting? That shit over there?
Yeah.
That had been coyote then. But it didn't have fur. Coyotes pooped. Comment down below. Ben, what do you think this is? Are you gonna pick it up?
It looks like Liam. Alright, we'll pick you guys up when we get back over there.
Ready?
Yep.
Stand back.
Holy. Mm-hmm. Climb it, climb it. Oh my gosh, these limbs are going everywhere. Get on the other side. Walk on it.
Walk on them.
Walk on it.
Alright, I'm choosing my over here.
Fire, higher, higher.
I'm going between my nuts. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Oh. Now you film me. Alright. Holy shit. Oh my god. Hey, don't bring it towards me. What the fuck? Oh my god. What the? No, that didn't work out as well. Alright, we'll see you guys when we get there.
Hey. That's raccoon shit right there.
Yeah, he just, the other one was shitting precise.
Wait, what? Precise?
Yeah.
Oh, he like took his time with
yeah.
that? He was trying to do it like an ice cream?
Hmm?
Comment down below, what do you think's shitting in our backyard?
Ben?
Ben, hey. Hey, Ben. I need your help, dude. What do you think it is? Fucking Ben up with Liam back here. Come on, that's funny, dude. You're not even gonna laugh, dude.
Alright, we'll catch you guys later.
I don't think that's shit.
That
It's mud.
That's shit.
It's mud.
Okay, Ben, let me know if that's shit or not. Alright, well, Dylan went another way. I'm back here in this spot. It's kind of like a trail. I don't know if it's a deer trail or someone's been trespassing or anything. Dylan went walking that way. I know a while ago, probably like last year, me and my cousins came back here and we put a blind, a hunting blind back here. I forget what it was, but I'll probably remember. Look at this trail. So yeah, right now I'm just walking back here. Hey Dylan! You coming? He's way the fuck over. Oh, I think it's sick. You coming? Sure, I don't know what the fuck he said. Alright, yeah, I think this is it. If I remember right. A while, yeah, alright. So we marked it with that pop can. And then this is the back. For some reason, it should be the entrance, look at that. And then this is front. There's soccer ball right there. The hunting blind, the bucket. And then, yeah. That's our fort we made a while ago. My cousins and I. Seeing a lot of deer prints back here. Ton of dead trees. What the? I think they might be cutting some trees down back here to build a trail or something. That'd be kind of unfortunate. I don't know. Hopefully not. Well, actually, I don't know. It might be nice back here. Chop a couple trees down. Build a. Alright, well, I'll pick you guys up if I see anything. Yeah.
So look, here's the thing, here's the issue. Alright, look. So the pit's right there. And then I'm right here. Trail camera's right there. Deer trail right here, bro. And look, deer tracks right there. All in all, it's a good fucking spot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, oh, we even got... That's old Ricky right there. If you don't know who Ricky is... If you don't know who Ricky is, that is the raccoons, which doing raccoon hunting this season. Trapping them. I'm looking at you, I'm fucking looking at you, ugly ass. Oh, don't be salty. We're trapping them, hunting them. Pretty much do. Alright, so this is what we're doing this season, or at least I am. He's going to Louisiana, some dumb shit. Bullfrogs, raccoons, deer, coyote, bobcat, foxes, anything that you can legally hunt, I'm hunting. It's gonna be exciting. Hopefully y'all enjoy. And so I'm gonna take this trail camera in a week, 2 weeks, I don't know. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, add me, John, add me. What the fuck? Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what's your favorite part about this video, what other videos you guys want me to make, and this isn't the, you're gonna, yeah, okay, anyway, you're gonna see us riding back, probably.
But Dylan, I have, I might have a problem with the spot. There's a red, like an orange mark on the tree.
And I see that.
They might be cutting it down. So I'm thinking you should probably put it on that tree.
Why do they have to cut this tree down? What's this tree doing to them?
No clue. I mean, leave it, I guess. Fucking cry about it. Cry about it.
I don't like this spot, so I like it out there more.
Then put it out there.
No, they're cutting it down. No! I'm retarded. Gonna do a little lean, kind of like my dick, but that works, so this is gonna work. Make it on. Right here. How's your day going today?
Good.
Yeah, hypothetically, they come from this way. Right there is a good deer path. It should be all good, but we'll find out. It's starting to rain, so we're gonna drive back. We're not gonna be able to do the crossbow thing. We're gonna come back another time before deer season. Sometime before deer season. Like, it's only June. We got a couple months. We're just getting ready for, you know, where to sit. If this produces big bucks, and hypothetically they walk down this path. Hey, make sure you're recording.
I'm fucking recording, dickwad. We could just hide in there.
No, I want to be up in the air. I was thinking this, but nah, because it's gonna be too close to that. But look. We're gonna pick one of these trees, cut all the branches off, stick a deer stand up there, call it good. It's raining. Trying to get up out of here. Is there anything else we'd like to add?
No.
Sweet honey cheeks. The mosquitoes, they're bugging me.
I get it.
They're bugging!